Okay, the coronavirus property entry advisory and declaration for visitors. So put the address here, and there's certain risks of exposure. You could get COVID-19. It's a human, worldwide risk to human health, a global pandemic. So there's government orders. There's to stay at home, and there's certain limiting certain activities and businesses. Real estate activities are considered essential. You have to practice social distancing and take all necessary precautions to protect yourself and others. So visitor advisory, visitors are advised that if you engage in any activities in violation of COVID directives, you are acting against the advice of the broker. Okay. So purpose of the entry, the purpose is for a prospective purchaser to view the property or conduct an inspection. Property entry rules, follow all federal, state, and local laws and stay-at-home orders. Your exercise B, care to protect yourself, assess your own risk considering your age. C, wash your hands with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer upon entry. Remember not to touch your eyes, mouth, or nose. Wear protective face covering. Practice social distancing. Not gather in groups. Pretty much avoid touching anything in the property. And when you're done, dispose of any face coverings, gloves, or shoe coverings. They're acknowledging that there won't be any materials you'll be able to pick up at the property. You're to follow the rules that are posted rules for entry. You're acknowledging that although others have been advised to clean and disinfect the property before and after each showing, there is no guarantee that the cleaning removed any or all instances of COVID-19 virus that may be present. You have a copy of the mandatory government showing requirements. Okay. So you understand that accessing a property for any purposes above may be dangerous and unsafe and could expose you or others to COVID-19. You represent that you don't have COVID-19 within the last 14 days. You don't have the symptoms of fever, respiratory illness such as cough, shortness of breath, or difficulty breathing, or any other symptoms. And you recognize that people may not have the symptoms, they could still pass it on, or they may not disclose that they have the actual condition. If there's any minors, you'll put their names there and they have to follow the same rules. By signing below, you, the signer, the person entering the property, acknowledge you have read, understand, voluntarily agree to the foregoing, and will adhere to the posted rules of entry and have received a copy of this coronavirus property entry advisory declaration. In addition, there's some government rules and laws, and the showing instructions for the visitors are the same things that were read earlier. You're going to have to sign this PEADv form and deliver it to the listing agent before seeing the property. You're agreeing to the posted rules of entry and the plan that's set up. You're going to maintain 6 feet of physical distance between unrelated persons. You're going to wear a face covering. You're going to use hand sanitizer or wash your hands immediately upon entry, and you're not going to touch anything in the property. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. Thank you.